Hi, welcome to another listing proudly presented by Teacherman Real Estate Services. My name is Tim Nguyen. I'm the real estate broker and owner of Teacherman Inc. Today, we are bringing you a beautiful townhouse for sale in the city of Santa Clara. It is situated at 2272 Creek Bed Court. It boasts of 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, covering 1,800 square feet of living space. Please come and take a look. So, if you have any question about this home or about the real estate in the Silicon Valley market in general, give me a call at 408-547-7292. Thank you so much for watching the video and have a great day.